Okay, guys, hopefully you're doing okay. I'm gonna try something new. I'm recording the mini lesson for this week's topic, which is all about finance. Finance goes over three important things, which goes with earning, spending, and hopefully saving. So again, this week's topic is all about finance. And finance, goes over three important parts of how you use your money. First, you have to earn it. Then you hopefully get to spend it. And once you spend some, you get to save some. Right now, I'm just going to focus part of your earning. So today is just going to be based on your income. And I'm going to explain what income is. So again, this week focus is introducing finance. And I'm just going to focus on this part of the earning, little part of the definition of finance, which goes over income. So income is dealt with how much you earn based on something you do. So in order to make an income, you need to provide some kind of work for it. So that's going to be your hours. So the more hours you work, the higher income will be. So this is going to factor in the money. So again, the more hours you work, the more your money, your income will be. For example, let's say I'm doing my schedule 2, 4, 6, 8. Hopefully you can see that 8, 10, 12. I go to work during that week and I decide to work 4 hours. Once I work 4 hours, I earn $24. Another day, you know what, 4 hours wasn't enough. I still felt like I had a lot of energy, so I'm gonna work 6 hours. 6 hours, now I'm gonna earn $36. So of course, I work more. You know what, the other day I only decided to work 2 hours. I was tired. But I only earned $12. That was my money that I made. That influencing my income. So hopefully you get to see a pattern. So I'm going to start with a 10. Finally, on Thursday, I'm not going to get more than 36 because when I work 6 hours, I made 36. So hopefully you can see a pattern. 2 hours gave me an amount of $12. When I work 4 hours, I made $24. When I work for 6 hours, I made 36. So what will be the future income of someone who works 10 hours? And the rate is the same. So hopefully you get to see that that person probably each hour they work, they earn $6. Let's check if that's true. 2 times 6, 12. 4 times 6, 24. 6 times 6, 36. So I think this is the rate. Oh, it was proven. So now 10 times 6 equals 60. $60. So I'm just gonna conclude like that. I know I did a little bit with the graph. So I'm gonna repeat income. Okay, this is all telling me about the income of one's wage. It's based on the amount of hours they work in order to get the money. Again, income is the amount of hours work in order to get the money. The end goal is to get our money at the end of the week. So hopefully by that paycheck, they can see the amount of money they put. So again, income is the amount of hours one work in order to get that money. But that money is influenced by that rate. So again, income, amount of hours work in order to get that money based on a certain rate. That's another factor later on. But you're gonna focus on income is the amount of money earned in order to make based on the hours. So again, income is based on the amount of hours work in order to get that money. So the more hours one work, the higher the income. A decrease, so I'm gonna change that color to a colorful one. A decrease of hours work were lowered to a no income range or a less amount, a smaller amount. So hopefully you get to see the difference between how the income influences into a higher amount or a decreased amount. Okay, hopefully you got something out of this. And thank you for tuning in.